What's going on, guys? Dwayne here with My Investment Journey, and I am back again. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about my second dividend payment with Vanguard Growth ETF, ticker symbol VUG. This is my second dividend payment, and like the last video that I did about one of my Vanguard ETFs, anticlimactic because my dividend payment actually decreased, but we're going to talk about it in this particular video. Listen, if you're new to the channel, once again, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey, and on this channel I talk about how to invest in the stock market and I show you my investment journey. So be sure to subscribe and click that notification so you don't miss a thing. Okay, so right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull up on the screen my current portfolio, and as you can see, it's valued at $301,889. The market's still open right now. It's currently in after hours. I reside in Houston, so it's central time for me at the making of this particular video. It's 3:28 p.m. Okay, so as you guys can see, my current portfolio is valued at $301,000, but of course, it hasn't always been good. Today, as you can see, my portfolio has been all over the place. It started back here, let's say for me in Houston, pre-market was 8 o'clock. So we're at 301,000. Then of course you see it went down here to 297,000, which was down 4,910 bucks. And then right now it's live at $301,926 right now. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys right now my position with Vanguard Growth ETF. Once again, ticker symbol VUG. As you can see, my average cost per share is $283.57. My overall return right now is I'm up 1.73%, which only happens to be $294. Now, this particular ETF, and very much like my portfolio, has been all over the place. Just to give you guys some context, if I click on the last month, in the last month, it says it's gone up $14. Okay, so that's kind of good, right? So way back here, it's at $254. My average cost is $283. At this particular time, I should have grabbed more shares, but I am trying not to keep on pumping so much money into the market because I have invested $254,000 since May of 2020. Okay, so I'm currently doing this video in April of 2022, so 2 years later. So I'm trying to sit still a little bit. Okay, for the last 3 months, as you can see, it's down $33. That's a lot. That's quite a bit. I'll give you an example, right? So we'll say it's down $33. Okay, I currently have 59 shares. So let me do some simple math here. 59 shares times $33. I would have $1,947 more right now as far as my total return if that was based on 3 months ago. Once again, just to give you guys some perspective. So it's anticlimactic because it was a little more exciting when it was higher, $33 higher 3 months ago. So I'm only up right now $294. I'm invested in this particular ETF because this is a growth ETF, and these companies in this particular ETF, especially the top 10 holding, are more growth companies. I do want my portfolio to grow, and of course I do want to get some dividend payments as well, but this particular ETF is not set up to get the best dividend payment. I do have individual investments with different companies, individual positions with different companies that are going to give me higher payments as far as dividends are concerned. So just to kind of show you guys the top 10 holdings in VUG, Apple is number 1, Microsoft number 2, Amazon, Alphabet Class A, Alphabet Class C, those are both Google, Tesla, Nvidia, Meta Platforms, which is Facebook, Visa, and Home Depot. So all of these companies, the average person should know. Maybe people don't know Nvidia, but other than that, I feel like everybody should know the other companies. All right. So if I scroll down here, you'll see this is my history. My history is very, very short with VUG. So you see that I bought here in January. This is January 2022. So I just invested $5,000 here. As you can see, actually, let me click on show more and let me show you guys how much I invested. Okay, so you have my first initial investment back here in October 2021. That was for $11,944 and change. And then there is another purchase here for maybe this wasn't a purchase. Maybe this was a dividend payment, right? So I got a dividend payment and this was reinvestment. Okay. So I invested 11,944 and then another 5,000. So altogether I have $15,944 invested. And just to show you my second dividend payment, the first one was back here December the 30th, 2021 for $19.59. And then my second dividend payment, because this is quarterly, is March 28th, 2022. The reason why it's different is because per share, the payment is different. So they're paying 46 cents right here per share back in December 2021. And then March of 22, they're paying 30 cents. So we went from 46 cents, from 46 cents to 30 cents. So of course that hurts, and that's why the dividend payment is lower, almost $2, a dollar and some change. So it kind of anticlimactic as far as dividends are concerned, but the reason why I'm invested with VUG is because it's a growth ETF, and the purpose of this particular ETF is to grow. And I do like that. I do want that in my account because I do want my account to grow over time. And of course, I want to get dividend payments as well. So that's why, once again, I'm invested in VUG. Okay. Just to kind of show you guys, this is where my portfolio is right now, $301,791. My overall experience on Robinhood is I'm up $43,000. You can see that. And really, it's based on since May of 2020. So since May of 2020, I pumped in $254,000. And right now, the portfolio is at $301,000. The reason why it says I'm up $43,000 is because it takes into account my investing over here on Robinhood, which I happened to pull everything out back in 2017, and I was down $4,399. So it doesn't calculate the being down $4,399. That is factored in because I clicked on all. So it says I'm up $43,000. It's always good to be up. I mean, $43,000 in 2 years. Okay, so you got to take in mind, this is May of 2020 when I started to kind of reinvest in the stock market, and it's currently April right now of 2022. To be up $43,000 in 2 years is incredible. However, you do see here my journey. You do see here that I was down in October of 2022. I was down negative $63,000. Okay, so my portfolio has been all over the place. At the highest, it's been like three. What is it? I think 315,000. Let me see back here. Yeah, 315, and this was January of 2022. Okay, so just kind of give you guys some perspective as to where I've kind of been and where the past has led me to this particular point. So the 301,000 looks really good, but once again, keep in mind that I was down at $1,63,000, which of course was not good. And a lot of the reason why I was down is because I was trying to day trade. I thought I was, smarter than I actually was, and I thought I was knowledgeable. I was delusional, right? Of course, since then I've learned. So I just want to give you guys a real snapshot of what's going on in my portfolio, not just the $301,000 and like, oh my God, so just wanted to share that with you guys. All right, that's going to be it for this video. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, be sure to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Once again, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey, and I approve this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, take care and be blessed. Peace.